How to buy Trump's tax company token. So this token came under the symbol of TTC. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go below, punch your account and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description. Now before going on buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. Check their Telegram channel too. They included on the X account. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 4 hours ago, as you can see here. The increase it's up to 200%, as you can see, in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%, as good as many investment in safe place. This token is trending number 2 in Solana network index screener. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. As you can see, the token address is under the Solana network. Now open your fund to wallet for that. Now click on swap here. Make sure you have enough of the Solana in your wallet. Click here. And now paste the token address. So this is our token. Click on it. Here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see, as you can see, how much you will be receiving that token. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter. Make sure to read all of that information here. After that, click on swap and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues come from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token without an issue. So this is how to buy TTC token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.